Hey, I'm Misha, and if you're a business owner and you think AI is still optional, press pause. In the next 10 minutes, I'll tell you the exact AI and automation trends that are shaping 2025 and that you must act on, and what they mean for revenue, operations, and risk. And at the end of it, I'll give you a 90-day plan that you can actually implement. Let's get right into it. Because 2025 is the year AI moves from experiment to operational backbone. Leaders use agentic AI, smart orchestration, and responsible governments are pulling away from the pack, and economists and consultants show the gap is, well, widening. You won't be asking whether to use AI, you'll be asking how fast you can catch up. Here's a quick roadmap of what I will cover today. The 3 game-changing trends that you must prioritize, what each trend looks like in practice for small and medium businesses, concrete next steps, and a 90-day plan to go with it, and lastly, what to avoid and how to govern AI safely. Trend 1. Agentic AI and autonomous agents. What are they and why do they matter? AI agents and autonomous agents can plan, act, and coordinate across multiple tools to complete multi-step tasks, not just answer a prompt. Think of agents like a triage of leads that run up follow-up sequences or even manage vendor onboarding without constant human micromanagement. Analyst firm list agentic AI as one of the top strategic trends for 2025. Why does this matter to you? Agentic systems let a small team run like a much larger enterprise system. BCG reports agentic AI is already contributing to a meaningful share of AI value, and companies investing in agents see disproportionate amount of returns. A short example of this is an AI agent that monitors incoming inbound leads, asks a couple of qualifying questions via email or DMs, scores the lead, and either schedules a call or pushes them into a nurture stream with no human touch them in at all. Trend number 2 is orchestration and the agent operating system, like the glue between tools. The tech that lets multiple agents and tools communicate reliably. PwC and other leaders emphasize that isolated agents don't move the needle. Orchestration and integrations do. You need an agent OS or a reliable orchestration layer to chain agents, enforce policies, and manage data flows. What this looks like in practice, and there's so many popular workflow platforms right now. Think the popular ones like Make, NAN, Zapier, or even some custom middleware, acting as a conductor, routing events, retrying failed actions, storing audit logs, and handing off to humans when confidence is low. Without this layer, agent outputs become, well, brittle, opaque, and risky. Trend 3 is governments and people. As agents do more, trust matters a lot more here. Gartner and McKinsey both call out AI governments and the leadership challenge as major priorities in 2025. You must plan for permissions, audit trails, human-in-the-loop checkpoints, and data security. And with that, talent is changing quite a lot too. The most valuable employee will be the AI integrators, people who can design agent workflows, set guardrails, and translate business goals into real agent tasks. Big employers are already training workforces for AI collaboration, and programs aimed at small medium business owners are rolling out from major vendors. Practical government's checklist is also a big part of this. Data access controls, confidence thresholds for autonomous actions, logging for every agent decision, and quarterly audit to tune prompts and policies is major. But what does this all mean for you as an owner? 4 immediate implication is that speed beats perfection. Move an automation into production quickly on the happy path, and then iterate and fix. Measure downstream impact. Don't just count tasks automated. Measure revenue, cycle times, error reduction, and invest in orchestration first. A small orchestration layer, like using NAN in this case, removes fragility and multiplies ROI massively. Build trust early. Add human fallbacks and transparency so stakeholders can adopt to these systems. And let me show you how to actually act on this within 90 days. Here's a short practical plan that you can start this week. Phase 0, which is usually a prep for 1 to 7 days. Map out one high impact process you want to automate, like lead qualification, client onboarding, renewal reminders. Identify data sources and owners. Have a clear deliverable, which is one process map plus success metrics, like reduce time to first contact, like 1 hour. And then phase 1 is MVP agent development. This should take you about 2 to 4 weeks. Build a single agent for the happy path. Make it ask 3 qualifying questions like score leads, schedule meetings. Use a hosted agent platform or an LLM. Again, I specialize in NAN because that's just the most robust one for me. Add a confidence threshold. So if X route to human. Have a clear deliverable in this phase, which is live agent handling in the happy path. Phase 2, which is orchestration and monitoring, that should take you about from 5 to 8 weeks. Add logging, alerting, and a simple dashboard, maybe through Airtable or Google Sheets for visualization. Set up retry logic and failure queues so no lead falls through. The clear deliverable here is orchestrated workflow plus dashboard. Phase 3 is iterating and scale, which is the last part, weeks 9 and 12. Add enrichment, firmographics for smarter prompts and second agent. Run a governance review and postmortem on edge cases. The deliverable here is having 2 agents plus government's checklists implemented. If you follow this plan, you'll have a production agent delivering business value within 90 days. But here are the real risks and how to avoid them. So what are some quick agent wins that small business owners can implement? Well, number one is lead triage agent, so cuts time to first contact from days to minutes and immediate conversation lift. Number two is an onboarding agent, which automates kickoff, emails, asset collection, and creates project boards and reduces kind of the ramp up time and churn. Number three is insight agents, which is a little bit basic, but like weekly digest of KPI anomalies, lets you act better before problems escalate. Consultancies and industry reports show that agentic adoption is already driving measurable value. The companies that invest early and capture a larger share of AI will ultimately benefit. So to win in the last few months of 2025, treat AI as a system play, not a feature. Build a few small autonomous agents for high-value repeatable tasks, put orchestrations between them, add governance, and hire for integrators who can connect business needs to agent behavior. If you want one tangible thing to do today, map your current customer handoff or lead to proposal process. I will link a description, a Notion doc that allows you to do this for free, so check in the bio. And find a single repetitive task that costs you time each week, and that one task is your fastest win. AI is no longer a side project. It's becoming your business's operating system. Move fast, with guardrails, measure impact, and make sure your people are the ones who are steering the ship. So if you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe with another founder who's still debating on if AI is impactful or not. If you want our help in helping you map out something like this, you can book your free ROI-based strategy call where I will personally outline 5 AI opportunities for you. I'll link that in the bio, and happy building.